Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. On this week's video, I'll be showing you how to make a very beginner-friendly DIY strengthening shampoo. This is wonderful because it only utilizes 3 ingredients. So let's go ahead and get started. The first ingredient I will be using today is going to be Brahmi powder. This is an Ayurvedic herb. This is great for reducing split ends if used daily. Also helps to strengthen the hair root and keep it well nourished. Next, I'll be adding my liquid shampoo base. This is one of my favorites because it is sodium lauryl sulfate free. Great for adding moisture retention to the hair. If you're in the US, I will go ahead and link where you can purchase this in the description box below. Now that the shampoo base has been added, you can see here that I am gently stirring the 2 ingredients. I want to make sure that I have gotten all that Brahmi powder incorporated into my shampoo. This next and final ingredient for the shampoo that we'll be making today is going to be rosemary essential oil. This is great for increasing circulation and improving the blood supply to the hair follicles. After adding that rosemary essential oil, it's important to go ahead and gently stir this in. You don't want the oil just sitting on the top. You want it throughout the shampoo. Now that the shampoo has been made, it's time to go ahead and package it. And I am using this bottle with a nice pump dispenser for easier application. So here's a quick peek at the finished product. As you can tell, it does not stain the skin, but has a nice lather. This is great to use every time you wash your hair, as it will help to strengthen and nourish the scalp along with the hair follicles. So here's the formula that I used today to create this strengthening shampoo. For substitutions, you could use any shampoo base that you wish. You could also use lavender essential oil instead of the rosemary, or combine the 2, or not even use any at all. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.